Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how the approval process feature in Salesforce Tool Suite works. You can find the approval process feature under the reports section inside this approval process tab. So I'm clicking on the reports, then I go to the approval process. Here, this Salesforce Tool Suite is connected to this org. And in this org, I have only one approval process, and that is why it is showing only one approval process over here. So now I'm selecting this approval process, and when I click on Export Excel, it will prepare a Excel report and it will be downloaded in your local system. You can save it in your local system and open it. Here you will see two tabs. The first tab is used for showing all the tabs that is present over here with the name of the approval process. So the approval process 1 tab contains the case sample approval process. So I am going over here and you can find all the details for that particular approval process over here. So all the details are coming like this. You can study it on your own or so that's all about it. Thank you and have a nice day.